Next, we visited a manufacturing company in Saitama Prefecture. Their name includes the word bell, so the component they make are
こちらの
自転車。はい。
のベルです。
This company makes bicycle bells.
年間どれぐらい作ってたんですか？
年間そうですね、まあ120万個ぐらいですかね。
They are the top maker of bicycle bells and are proud of their 60% share of the domestic market. They make many different types.
例えばこれなんかは昔の自転車によくついてた引きベルっていうんですけど、こう指で引くタイプですね。
We opened one to see how it worked. When you pull the lever, the rotating hammers swing, hitting the protruding part of the inside of the cap, and it rings. This bell makes a simple, good sound, but its structure is a bit complicated. Sometimes the bell gets rusty from rainwater getting inside. So they developed a new bell.
これが世界で初めてうちで作った単打式ベルです。
これ今まで何が大きくやっぱ違うんですか？
今まではですね、この大きさでこういう音がするベルってなかったんですよ。
It's the world's smallest loud bicycle bell. Here's the reason behind its popularity. It is small, but it has a loud sound.
基準がですね、音の大きさで75デシベルっていうのがあるんですよ。
It's important that bicycle bells make a sound that's at least 75 decibels. That's about as loud as a vacuum cleaner. So the typical approach in the bell industry was to make the bell portion larger so it would be louder. They tried to design a bell that was half in size that could achieve 75 decibels in loudness.
隙間ですかね。
どういう隙間ってどうですか？
この樹脂の部分とこの金属の間に 1.5 ぐらい間が空いてるんですけど、
1.5。
はい。その隙間が重要ですね。
The size of the gap plays an important role in the volume of the sound. And there's another reason why it's louder. The spring makes the bell vibrate.
強度とか巻き数とかです。これでうちはバネ屋さんから買ってますから、これで作ってもらう。
これじゃないと東京ベルさんのあのベルは
できない。はい。
できない。
できないです。
決まってるんです。
決まってるんです。
The perfect spring makes the bell vibrate as it should. That's why it sounds good. It's 1 centimeter in diameter and coiled 7 times. The pitch of the spring should be 5 millimeters to get the best vibration. Thanks to this spring, it makes the sound that is required. They continue with the never-ending challenge of bicycle bells.